Welcome to your Day 1 study plan. Today we'll be focusing on three key subjects: English, mathematics, and general knowledge. The total study time is set for 4 hours, with each subject getting dedicated attention. We'll start with English for 1 hour and 30 minutes, move on to mathematics for another 1 hour and 30 minutes, and finish with general knowledge for 1 hour. This balanced approach ensures you build a strong foundation across all areas. By the end of the day, you'll have learned new vocabulary, understood grammar basics, practiced arithmetic, and gained awareness about the Indian Armed Forces and Indian states. Let's break down each subject and see how you can make the most of your study time. Begin your study session with English. Spend the first part learning 20 new words. Start with simple ones like admire, foolish, protect, worried, and rather. Make a small notebook to jot down meanings and examples for each word. Next, dive into grammar basics by understanding the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. You can watch a short YouTube lesson or read a basic grammar chapter to reinforce your understanding. Practice by writing 5 sentences using today's vocabulary and attempt 10 questions on parts of speech. This method will help you remember new words and apply grammar rules confidently. Next, dedicate 1 hour and 30 minutes to mathematics. Focus on the basics of the number system, learn about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Understand the rules of BOD/MAS, which help you solve simplification problems efficiently. Practice is key, so try to solve 20 to 25 questions covering both number systems and BOD/MAS. For example, find the smallest whole number, convert fractions to decimals, and solve expressions using the correct order of operations. This practice will strengthen your arithmetic foundation and boost your confidence for more advanced topics in the future. Finally, spend an hour on general knowledge. Start by learning about the structure of the Indian Armed Forces, including the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Focus on the different Army commands like Northern, Southern, Eastern, and their headquarters. Get familiar with the names of current commanders and their ranks. Then move on to static GK by studying the list of Indian states and their capitals, as well as the Union territories and their capital. This knowledge not only helps in exams but also builds your overall awareness. Wrap up your day with a quick revision of your vocabulary notebook and a short quiz to recall what you've learned. At the end of day 1, take a moment to reflect on your progress. You should now know 20 new English words and their meanings, understand the basics of parts of speech, and feel comfortable with BOD/MAS and number types. You'll also be able to recall the main Indian Army commands and their locations, and have started your formula and vocabulary notebooks. Remember, consistency is key. Review your notes, test yourself with a quick quiz, and enjoy some light reading to wind down. This structured approach will set a strong foundation for your upcoming study days. Keep up the great work and stay motivated.